This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeremy Taylor. Beautiful lakefront home in the highly desirable Danforth community. The spacious split floor plan flows smoothly with plenty of living space. Sizable kitchen with new appliances. All bedrooms have sliding glass doors opening to the large screened patio. Fantastic home to entertain year-round. Covered pool patio with screen enclosure allow a wonderful breeze to drift throughout the home during those seasonal months. Watch the sunset fade away while relaxing in the backyard. The Danforth community is very family and pet friendly. Excellent schools within a short bike ride away. Shopping, great restaurants, and medical facilities nearby. Convenient to I-95 and the Turnpike. Don't miss this gem on the Treasure Coast. For more information, review the details below.